Okay, so the next topic that you have in your book is US hegemony under Bill Clinton. Okay, so Bill Clinton, I guess you have heard his name. His full name was William Jefferson Bill Clinton. So his wife Hillary Clinton, she was the contender to Donald Trump in the last elections. However, she lost the election. Now Bill Clinton, he became the president of America in 1992, and again he was re-elected in 1996. Okay, so he was the president for 2 terms. Now why Bill Clinton's era is given here? Because Bill Clinton's era, or you can call his government, was a bit different from the earlier presidential rules of America. Because if you see the earlier presidents of America, before Bill Clinton, we had George W. Bush. Okay, George H.W. Bush. Okay, so during before Bill Clinton, we had George H.W. Bush as the this one president of US. So I have written here both names. Ekita confused nohoba. Tumalage American president dujon naam eke paba. Ejonar naam George H.W. Bush, ejonar naam George W. Bush. Okay, so Bill Clinton agot dujon asile, hejonar naam asile George H.W. Bush. So he was there during Operation Desert Storm. Okay, and 1996 Bill Clinton president asile, tar pisot jitu election hol tar pisot American president hol George W. Bush. So ekhet asile before Obama. Okay, so he was the father, this one is the son, so there is just a difference of one letter H, so etu confuse no hoba George H.W. Bush or George W. Bush. Okay, so Bill Clinton became the president of America in 1996 after George H.W. Bush. Etia moi koi asilo why his tenure was so important or different. Different was that the presidents that were of America before Bill Clinton, they were very much interested in the hard issues. But Bill Clinton, you will find he was more focused or interested on the soft issues. Soft issues means he was not much interested in increasing America's military might on all those operations. Okay, asile teor homoy to military operations hoisile je tumalokok moi pisot kom, kintu he was more interested on the domestic issues and the internal affairs. Okay, he was more concerned about the internal affairs of America. Americar manu bilakor ki problem hoise, what are their issues. Some of they had the problem of climate change, they were facing problem of unemployment, then they had some domestic issues. Okay, so he was democracy, human rights violation, ebilak that problems hoisile. So Bill Clinton, he was more focused, he was more interested in solving the internal affairs of America than in going and interfering in other countries. Okay, there agot ji kijon asile, they were interfering in other countries as well, but Bill Clinton was less than them. Okay, so it is said that he was focusing more on the soft issues. Okay, he was interested in world affairs, no doubt, but those were not much military. He was interested in climate change, why these things were happening. He was interested about human rights violation. Okay, so it is said that he was more focused on soft issues. Okay, and Clinton or homoy to military operations hoise nohoa nohoy, there were 2 key military operations during Clinton. So one was in Yugoslavia in 1999, and the second was Operation Infinite Reach in 1998. Okay, so 1999 Yugoslavia ki hoisile, in Yugoslavia there was a place called Kosovo. Okay, so this Kosovo, it was facing some humanitarian crisis. That duta type or manu asile Kosovo. Some were called Albanians and eta group asile Serb, SERBS, Serbs. Okay, eta group asile Serbs. Okay, and eta group asile Albanians. So Albanians are population that kom asile 10%, but Serbs besi asile 90% Albanians asile, 10% Serbs asile. But the ruler junjon asile Kosovo, his name was Milosevic. Okay, tumalakor bookot dia ase sake Milosevic boli. So Milosevic, he was a Serb. So Serbs bilake ki korisile, Albanians bilakok marisile, genocide. Genocide means when you try to kill a particular community, gute community to mari pelabole try kore, jeneke Hitler Jews bilakok korisile. So in this time, America, they had intervened in Yugoslavia. Okay, tahati Kosovo entry korile. okay, in the name of humanitarian crisis. Okay, human rights violation hoise boli tahati intervene korile. They removed Milosevic from power, and in Yugoslavia a American camp was established. Okay, so in the name of humanitarian intervention, so beleg ekhon country kiba hoy ase ami interfere koribo noaru, but humanitarian intervention namon on the grounds of human rights violation, that for protecting the human rights you can intervene. So America with other NATO countries, they intervened in Yugoslavia. Okay, tahati Milosevic remove koile power pra, and like this, and then they established a camp in Yugoslavia. So like this, that was one operation that had taken place during Bill Clinton. So as I said, the important military operation that had undertaken under Bill Clinton was Operation Infinite Reach. Okay, so this it was codenamed as Operation Infinite Reach. So why was this Operation Infinite Reach launched? So it happened that in the year 1998, two US embassies is the place where ambassadors of a particular nation stay. Okay, so jot ambassadors bilak thake, foreign diplomats bilak thake, hetu embassy buli koa hoy. So দুটা US embassy, এটা কেনিয়াৰ নাইৰোবিত আছিলে আৰু এটা তানজানিয়াৰ দাৰ es Salaamত আছিলে. Okay, so on the same day, two blasts had happened outside the US embassies in Kenya and Tanzania. Similar weight blast kora hoisile. Dukhon truck filled with hundreds of kgs of RDX was exploded outside the US embassies of Nairobi and Tanzania. Okay, and in because of this attack, this Operation Infinite Reach was launched. Okay, so yat এই দুইটা এটেকতে আমেৰিকাৰ ইমান মানুহ মৰা নাছিলে, but more Kenyan and people from Tanzania were killed. Okay, American very less, like few Americans were killed, but this was taken as a huge attack by America on itself. Okay, so after this attack, President Bill Clinton, he had launched this Operation Infinite Reach against Al-Qaeda. So this attack, terrorist attack, was done by the terrorist organization called Al-Qaeda. I think you remember Osama bin Laden. Okay, yes, it was his organization Al-Qaeda. Okay, and after this launch of this operation, there were lots of search operations. There were lots of military operations, mainly on two countries, Sudan and Afghanistan. Okay, Sudan, it was said or it was alleged that Sudan was serving as a base and supplying weapons to Al-Qaeda since the year 1993. Okay, so from 1993 only they were planning this attack. So Sudan was serving as a base and also supplying weapons to Al-Qaeda. And Afghanistan, this was the second country which was targeted by America, because Afghanistan was used by Al-Qaeda militants as a hideout. Okay, so owing to this Operation Infinite Reach, a large number of attacks, cruise missile attacks were done on Afghanistan and Sudan. And in these attacks you will find a lot of destruction had happened, lot of civilians were killed. Okay, civilian locations were targeted. Like now, one thing in international law we have, that there is a rule that when in such attacks you can target civilian locations বুলি ক'লে hospitals, schools, okay, religious institution, eblakok civilian locations বুলি কয়. কিন্তু during this attack, these civilian locations were also destructed. They were also attacked by the missiles. Okay, and I will suggest you should go to the internet and find out this Operation Infinite Reach, কাৰণ এটোত বহুত কথা আছে ইয়াত. Okay, পিছত বহুতে like criticize কৰিছিলে attackটোত, that যোটো তাহাঁতি আফগানিস্তান এণ্ড সুদানত কোনোবা এটা মেডিচিন বনোৱা ফাৰ্মাচিউটিকেল এটা ফেক্টৰীহে আছিলে, য'ত তাহাঁতি সন্দেহ কৰিছিলে যে তাত বম বনোৱা হৈছিলে সুদানত. Okay, but afterwards it was found that it was actually only a pharmaceutical factory. It had nothing to do with explosives. So like that, lots of things you will find in the net. So if you go to the net, you will find a lot of information with pictures and also sabo para tumaleke. Okay, so this was Operation Infinite Reach. So this was undertaken under Bill Clinton. And this Operation Infinite Reach, it proved to the world American haughtiness, as they did not even care about international law. তাৰমানে ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল লয়ে কৈছে চিভিলিয়ানছ টাৰ্গেট কৰিব নোৱাৰা, চিভিলিয়ান লোকেশ্যনছত এটেক কৰিব নোৱাৰা, বাট আমেৰিকা ৱাজ ডুইং ইট and there was no action taken against America by United Nations. So it shows that America was above United Nations. Okay, so this was Bill Clinton's year. So in this part mostly we write about the soft issues of Bill Clinton, and also this Operation Infinite Reach is important. Okay.